host GH. If today is your first time of tuning into our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification button so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, taking you to Tamale. The people of Tamale are really pissed. They are angry at TV3 that they promised the winner of Mentor a house and they have not fulfilled that promise. And so with they are really angry. They said TV3 they should give the man the house, they should give Optional King the house, the 2-bedroom apartment that they promised, they should give it to him because on one small say they should come and promise them that we'll give you a house if you win this season. They did not send them. They could have said anything else, but they said they will give the winner a house, a 2-bedroom apartment, so they should fulfill that promise within this week, or what will happen will happen. This is what the demos they are saying on social media, that they will need those 2-bedroom house within the week. So guys, some of the comments from the demos are one is from Mohammed Bashiru. I mean, he said TV3 Ghana, we are still waiting for our promise. Hashtag give us 2-bedroom apartments now. He said the people of Tamale are fed up and tired about TV3 and Optional King. We are not kids or fools here in the north. Another person said, give CF Optional King his house. This is from Freeman Justice. And another one also said, Yakub Adam said, someone tell TV3 people that we give them only this week. Is either they give us the house or they give us back the money for the voting. Notness are not fools. When the madness starts, I don't think they can stand it. So someone screenshot it for them and tell them that the father of the street has spoken. This is from Adam Yakubu. Yes, he says he's the father of the street and he has spoken that he has given TV3 just this week now. They need that house. They need a house. We all saw the TV3 Mentor, the audition. Yes, the winner is getting a house, a 2-bedroom house. Yes, and he has not gotten that promise that they made. He has not gotten it, so they need that 2-bedroom house. They need it like within this week. No, they need that house. So beyond small, one can say they will give the winner a house. So either the house or the voting money. So imagine the people of Tamale giving them that money. Imagine Tamale. So if they will return that money, just imagine the money and they will give it to them. So I'm sure TV3 they are doing something about this particular issue here, because the demo that is going on is something small. It's not something small, and I don't think they would want anything to tarnish their good image. Yeah, so we are hoping for the best, and guys, I'll keep you